Falco, the nutrition counselor here at Whole Body Solutions. I'm actually at my home, sort of in quarantine, and I have a senior mother who is stuck in her assisted living facility and not able to have any visitors. So she's really missing us, but she's also really missing some of the good food because they're limiting the meals that they're giving them. One of her favorite foods is our little dessert treats is chocolate pudding. And the chocolate pudding that they have at the assisted living facility isn't particularly healthy. So I kind of came up with this little brainstorm of a pudding recipe for her that I'm going to drop off later on, made with our standard process Veg-E Complete Pro chocolate. I love this product so much. It's just incredible. It has pumpkin seeds, which contain zinc, protein. It's got sunflower seeds, and it's got pea protein, along with some organic cacao and monk fruit for a sweetener, and with a little bit of coconut sap crystals. So we're using this as our flavoring and for our protein. I love this unsweetened macadamia milk. Unsweetened vanilla actually is great for pudding, and I have the unsweetened regular for our other recipes that I don't need vanilla with. I have a little bit of vanilla extract. Make sure you get real vanilla extract and not vanilla flavoring, because that's made of artificial vanillin. Not so good for us. And then I have some organic black chia seeds, which are just loaded with omega-3s, protein, calcium, iron, and manganese. And a little bit of chopped up banana for some different kind of texture. And the cool thing about chia seeds, it's funny, my little grandson was doing a project with chia seeds that you just add water to sprout. And this is what they look like when they're all sprouted. It's actually a food. You can eat these delicious chia sprouts, put them in your salads or whatever you want. So it's pretty cool. It's what chia pets, how chia pets are made, okay? So what I'm gonna do first of all is I'm gonna add a cup of my macadamia milk right here in my little bowl. This actually couldn't be any easier. I'm going to add 2.5 scoops. Actually 2.5 heaping scoops or 3 non-heaping scoops. So there's 3 scoops right there. And I eyeball this, but this is about 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And then you whisk it up. You don't do the banana yet, but this gets whisked up as much as you can. And then I actually just put the cover on and shake it up, which you'll see in a minute. Okay. Now, I add my 1/4 cup, approximately, of chia seeds. So usually per every cup of liquid, it's about 1/4 cup of the chia seeds. And all you do is you mix this up. And after a few hours, I usually do this overnight, so I don't have to wait. But I actually made some this morning, which I'll show you when I'm done with this. See, pretty easy. Chop up some banana. You can do blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, but with chocolate, I like banana. Put the cover on. It's really nice to have these Pyrex dishes with the cover, or bowls with the cover. Shake it up. I'm going to put it in the fridge, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Here we go. Oh, look at this beautiful pudding. And it's delicious and rich and creamy, and like I said, loaded with protein, omega-3s, zinc, potassium, manganese, iron, calcium. Look at how yummy. And here you have a delicious bowl of healthy chocolate pudding. Enjoy, and happy spring.